Okay, now let's take a look at horizontal asymptotes. So it says while a graph of a rational function can have any number of vertical asymptotes, it can have no more than one horizontal asymptote. So it can have at most one, or it can not have any horizontal asymptotes at all. So it says to find the horizontal asymptote of a graph of a rational function, compare the degree of the numerator m to the degree of the denominator n. So if m is less than n, then the graph has a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0, the x-axis. If m is greater than n, the graph has no horizontal asymptotes. And if m equals n, then the graph has a horizontal asymptote of y equal a over b, where a is the coefficient of the term of the greatest degree in the numerator, and b is the coefficient of the term of the greatest degree in the numerator. So let's take a look at the example. So here, my degree is 1 and 1. So there's an invisible 1 here for this 2x and a 1 here. So the degree of the numerator and the denominator are the same. So I'm going to take the coefficient of my two highest terms, which is 2 and 1. And so I get my horizontal asymptote as y equals to 2. Let's take a look at the second one. Here my degree is 1 and my degree here is 2. So that means the degree of my m is less than the degree of my n. So the degree of the numerator is less than the degree of my denominator. So that means, and we can go back up to the box to remind ourselves, if m is less than n, then the horizontal asymptote is y equals to 0. And that's what they have here. The horizontal asymptote is y equals to 0. And then for the last example, my degree is 2, and here my degree is 1. And so my degree of my numerator, so m is greater than n, and if m is greater than n, there's no horizontal asymptote. Okay, so now let's look at the got it to see it. So we have, what is the horizontal asymptote for the rational function? So I have, for the first one, my degree is 1, and my degree is 1 here. So that means that my coefficients I'm taking are 2, negative 2, and 1. And so my horizontal asymptote is y equal negative 2. Okay? So let's look at the second one. Oops, sorry about that. The second one, I have a degree of 1 and a degree of 2. So my m is less than 2. Let's go back and look at our box. So for m less than n, y equals 0. So for b, y is equal to 0. And then last but not least, we have 2 here and 1 here. So my m is greater than n. Let's look here. For m greater than n, no horizontal asymptote. So for C, none. I hope this helps.